Are you also confused about what type of makeup you should do for a bridesmaid look? If yes, then today I'll show you a bridesmaid look that will work best for the day look as well for the evening look. Come, let's get started. But before we start the makeup, let's prep our skin using concealer, moisturizer and sunscreen. For flawless makeup, you need your skin to be well hydrated and prepped. So, never miss the step. Since I'm wearing this, I'm thinking of doing a shimmer to my eyes and go in the brown peach shade with my lips. So, let's get started. Step number 1. Primer. Weddings can get hectic. So to make your makeup last long and to even out your face, it is necessary to apply a primer. Take some primer on your hand and make small dots on your face. Use your fingers to blend it well. Step number 2. Foundation. Always go for a lightweight foundation that gives you sufficient coverage without feeling heavy. Take some foundation on your hand and make small dots on your face. Now, blend it using a beauty blender. For people with dry skin, you can mix your foundation with a little dose of facial oil to get flawless foundation coverage that doesn't dry. Step number 3. Concealer. Always pick a concealer one shade lighter or same as your skin tone and apply on the top of the problematic areas. Use one with a lightweight formula. Take some concealer and apply it on the places where you have dark spots, dark circles and acne marks. Step number 4. Loose powder. After applying your creamy or liquid products, use loose powder to control the excess shine on your face. Apply loose powder near the center of your face and work your way outwards. Buff in small circles lightly with your brush. Step number 5. Bronzer. Applying bronzer is a tricky job, but I have a simple hack. Always apply bronzer to only your high points like jawline, cheekbones, temples, hairline and the bridge of your nose. Now blend it using a brush. A very important point here is to blend your bronzer well. If you want to apply the bronzer on the bridge of your nose, do it extremely lightly as you don't want the color to look too harsh. Step number 6. Blush. The power of a vibrant and a rosy blush can just make your skin look healthy and fresh. Take some blush on your fingers and apply it on your cheekbones and blend it with your fingertips. This will give a flush look. Step number 7. Brows. Filling your brows adds structure to your face. Use a brow pencil or cream to fill in the gaps to give a nice shape to your eyebrows. Step number 8. Eyeshadow. First, apply a warm nude toned eyeshadow. Then, use a dark brown shade on the crease and outer corner of the eyes. Now, cover your eyelids with a golden shimmery shade if you want to play safe. Or, go with colorful metallic shades matching your outfit. If you want to experiment a bit, then this eyeshadow will work best for the evening cocktail look with the combination of bold lips. Step number 9. Eyeliner and mascara. Finish your eye look with a black eyeliner or a colorful eyeliner if you are up for a little experiment. Start making a small stroke starting from the inner corner of your eyes, extending it outwards. You can also add some highlighter in the inner corner of your eyes. To give some volume to your lashes, apply mascara. Start from your inner lash and move outwards. Step number 10. Lipstick. Since I have done glittery eyes, I am going to mix 2 shades based on my outfit. First thing I am going to do is add a pink shade. So, let me apply my pink lipstick on my lips. Then press them against each other. Now, let me add a hint of brown shade to this. Apply it on your lips and use your fingers to blend it. This combination of lip shade will be best for all kinds of outfits. Step number 11. Setting spray. Close your eyes and spray some of it to lock your makeup in. Now, it's time to reveal my final look. I hope this video was helpful. Are you planning to try this bridesmaid look? Here's a quick recap. Step number 1. Primer. Step number 2. Foundation. Step number 3. Concealer. Step number 4. Loose powder. Step number 5. Bronzer. Step number 6. Blush. Step number 7. Brows. Step number 8. Eyeshadow. Step number 9. Eyeliner and mascara. Step number 10. Lipstick. Step number 11. Setting spray. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content. Bye guys. See you later.